Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix my myVW app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the myVW app. So here I will directly search for the VW. Okay. So if it's not working, then here I am showing example of to follow these steps. So here I will just click on this button, then click on this I button in your BW app. Okay. So here you have to just scroll down, click on the storage button, and then you have to click on the clear data option. Just click on delete, and you have to open it again. If your VW is working, then fine. If it's not working, you have to search on your Google, okay, now search bar as my VW, okay, VW app. So at here you have to click on there, and from here you can click on the update button and you can update the app and download the latest version. It will work. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share your video. Thank you for watching.